talking to the spirit and she's saying it is mine. Talking to the spirit and she's saying it is mine. Talking to the spirit and she's saying it is mine. And I have all the words of a widow wisdom. I'm just talking to the spirit, talking to the spirit, talking to the spirit and she's saying it is mine. I'm just talking to the spirit, talking to the spirit, talking to the spirit and she's saying it is mine. I'm just talking to the spirit and she's saying it is mine. And I have all the courage to go with her wisdom. They don't want the power once we start sharing our love, but it's all ours, so don't have to give up. Focus. I see numbers and live like it's lost in the forest. They wanna try to get us deserted and just torture us. Baby, you just keep them thirsty and stay gorgeous. Happiness, self-ness, and neglect resources. Osmosis, the only difference, osmosis. They want you see for what your soul is, like they soulless. Only see your appearance, what I'm hearing. If it's fuck fits. Oh, 1 second, I'm just talking. Talking to the spirit and she's saying it was mine. Talking to the spirit and she's saying it was mine. Talking to the spirit and she's saying it was mine. And I have all the courage to go with her wisdom. I'm just talking to the spirit, talking to the spirit, talking to the spirit and she's saying it was mine. I'm just talking to the spirit, talking to the spirit, talking to the spirit and she's saying it was mine.
How you doing, y'all? Welcome to another spiritual video of The Following is Rated Z. It's not rated anything else but Z. You feel me? So, the views don't matter. I know everybody sees it. This is about being poison ivy. I done had a communications folly telling me y'all still don't listen. What do they don't listen about? Who Mother Nature is. They trying to overthrow somebody? I think they trying to put martial law in. As a joke, you can say that. Why you say that? Because Mother Nature is the mother. And you can't outgrow Mother's nature. Oh, that's what karma is? Yeah, you can say that. If the shoe fits? Yeah, So, I got a couple helicopters. Woo! I swear I'm the reason why y'all don't know what a nightmare is, so y'all just think y'all do. And excuse me. And I know where opinions are. Y'all know how to talk about someone's feelings. Y'all just don't know how to talk about. Excuse me. You know how to talk about someone's feelings to learn your feelings. You just don't know how to reflect who you are as a person. So where the fuck was I? I was the general order. I'm the general order developments of weapons. So I am Mars. I thought you was Venus. Venus is still Mars, buddy. These slow people. Ooh, I like that. But it's just I run with the naked. I run with the naked. Shit. I guess it's people around me that don't run with disease or something. Shit, nah. So um, my mission was to stop people from being in a mother trick, a matrix of someone else's desires. That, yeah, I'm putting all y'all out so you can, because you think it would be funny because we're powerful and we should grow up. But people still have this sensitive side because of chilling with somebody, and you just feel like since you can't be like that, they shouldn't be able to be like that, so they should grow up, which is borderline killing somebody. So, the craziest thing is, I'm on the One Piece. Pangea's not a theory, the grand prize, the grand treasure. You can call me Luffy's mother. What I forgot I said. I said you can call Luffy. Lost brainwash, but looking at love's ass love. When I flip it, vice versa. That's when I look so damn defiant. I think that song's on SoundCloud. Y'all go on my SoundCloud, KN Vibes, with an S or Z. You look it up, and I ain't about to put it in my link because y'all can find it. It's me. So my I salute all the spiritual mission people, all the Marines, all my ninjas, and y'all know the spiritual missions, and there's no one higher than us. So it's crazy to have individuals that we mothered, and they're going through the realm of you only get one and trying to do it twice. So so uh crazy, right? So my mission was, like I said, not make no one get caught in a mother trick, because mama don't do no tricks. Mama said to knock you out. You have my orders. So the reason why a woman, because every alpha male is a woman, or you feel me, cannot hit a woman with her dick in, is because that's part of her vibration, and if she doesn't have that type of relationship with you, for you to act cool with doing certain things, you have no rights to dispel her feelings. And I say that because I wanted to be aggressive with what I'm saying, because no one wants to get hit. But if the shoe fits, I got a lot of fish scale on me. So people love to play fight with me. People love to stay in touch with me if the shoe fits, all of that. So reason why I talk about a woman putting her dick in and dick out is because I'm that type of being. If that makes me an alien or amphibian or weird, I don't give a fuck. So I even going through a monogamy relationship with everybody, won't aggressively hit a woman with her dick in, unless I put my dick in and she says she wants the box. The spirits around. So when y'all do the fuck shit, I do have trap houses that I guess the inverted terminology of what they say a vampire does. You call me Zampin, Zampire. Vampire, that's funny. So you step in my trap house and you have fuck shit that you need to get out, you will get the disciplinary act that needs to be done. Me was a woman with my dick in. You have to ask, like, hey, let's box, say this song. You wanna? And then with me with my dick out, I'm a nurse, cause that's how fast I am. It's still me. It's the reason why I made the world in 3 days. 3 days. Feel me? Time's illusion. So really 3 seconds, 3 microwism, the number 3, and the completion of 3, and rebirth myself, and now I gotta get my street cred back, which these helicopters. So now I didn't go to Jamaica this time, so I guess it's time to ball. You feel me? Well, I did, but I'm back. You feel me? I didn't have to go out. I'm like, the world didn't relapse this time. Or you feel me? So, like I said, I made sure I could count a matrix. So a birth certificate, when everybody knows it came down like sands, is bullshit. That's the wound of my Z's. So, call me. You first of all, you have no rights to call someone out their name, which is the organic pyramid they are. Your eyes call them who they are. So the second you use telepathy or try to open your mouth and call someone something, when that's one of the biggest rules of the spiritual world and everywhere, that's why Michael was, because I'm pulling up. So don't let Michael get Billie Jean. And who that pointed out? Let's go through the papers. Joe Jackson isn't really related to him. His mother is his sister. Michael Jackson is the mother of the world. And oh shit. Get on now. His name is Sapphire Ali Kali. No. The main ward is his mission of his womb. Of making sure no one got caught in the matrix. And he's Michael Jackson's mother. Everybody's mother, but y'all know. So, I don't mean to be so great. Y'all hoping that I got amnesia to try to cut off a connection of I have a bond with kids that was on a mission with me. Excuse me. And shoe fits. And if y'all feel like you cut the bond off with that I have, then I have amnesia and won't be able to be the hair of the organic pyramid I am. So you want to kill me and make the way that destiny's been. You want to have a flashpoint in life that if you kill me will cause a war, not just because people love me, which I appreciate everybody that do. You feel me? The Phoenix. But but a war in general, because life is in a continuous battle with vibrating the right way, and when you vibrate to a certain strength, you don't have to excuse me, you don't have to worry and things been neutralized. So hey, I don't have to be kamikaze no more, hopefully. And just because my motherfucker, like I said in my last vlog that's uploading, once again, spiritual views is more than YouTube can fathom. So y'all here, the views don't matter. You feel me? I'm famous and infamous at the same goddamn time. It's crazy, like, cause the second I put some swag on, people ain't gonna act like they don't know me. You feel me? They're really upset that they got me in a non-swagging way, but it's just like they know I'm that leaf though, that they talking to me so kind and start it back up. This is my chance. But the second I put some swag on, everybody know me. They can't fake it, because it's just like I said, how they have to put that shit on. They're gonna have to put that shit on that they know me by. And yeah, this really is the what's the name for y'all? Whatever words y'all want to use, many words. Crap, shit. On my best. So yeah, I'm Poison Ivy. You feel me? You fucking with Mother Nature. You feel me? It's crazy, bruh. It's like I'm looking at weed as my kids and shit, and that's the main reason why I use zodiac signs, to watch everybody in their houses, because it's just like I know who's supposed to deliver, but y'all got y'all bad excuses to think that shit fire. To think that you can deliberately not help me because I can help myself. So yeah, I know all of you and you. So we're gonna have a good time, and y'all gonna be watching from the televisions or from outside the gladiator, the dome that I turned into football. So, Arthur Blank's foundation made me mad, because I didn't taught that shit from ground up, and when I got in contact with Arthur Blank, he brought me in and adopted me on some Matilda shit. So, he just happy that he could do that. You feel me? Like, cause I'm his mother. So, all the Atlanteans know I'm their mother. All the Latinas know I'm their mother. It's my direct kids in America that are just disrespecting me. The Jamaicans know I'm their mother. All of them are like, cause they all did this. They all had this. That's why y'all can't. Yeah, they all did this before, and directly without even knowing. Cause I watched just like this, and they try to come here and they think it's gonna be cool beans, and have to put on a savage. I'm like, don't do that. Don't worry, baby. It's direct Americans that I told the other nations, quote unquote, the other coaches, because Pangea is not a theory, that y'all cool, and y'all prove me otherwise. So doesn't make me a liar, because I was speaking in perspective of myself. And it's just sad. This is all because of Americans thinking they're better and not going by the principles that made everybody great, even the Americans, which is me. So now I came to my hometown, and y'all just think that y'all gangster when that's being passive me, I guess. So, you know, because like I said, I made sure no one got caught in the matrix. So this adjective legalese to catch someone in an illusion is bullshit. Boy, I'm just ready to. Y'all haven't even smoked what I smoked before. You feel me? I didn't smoke some shit that I'm still high. Like I didn't smoke some shit that I don't have to plan worth shit. We then worked my mind to plan how to deal with this shit. You feel me? And I retired it because that was a good idea. Like the fuck y'all messing with poison ivy, bruh. Like you feel me? The telepathy. Hey, that's my baby boy. That's my Jack right real quick. Hey, I can deal with that. Boy. But y'all know the spiritual teacher that was make this energy radars. Check this off. I can't, and it was sarcasm, but I knew y'all wanted me, so I didn't work so hard to make myself the perfect person. I made myself so perfect. I was like, oh no, y'all gonna have to work for me. You feel me? I had to turn the tables. Cause it's just one little aspect, and I love what the atmosphere is saying right there. Let the smoke like hair rise. Mama, you ain't gonna talk to mama like this. You should be glad the mama still has her childhood, cause I could just be straight disrespectful. I don't mean to be this cool and the most mature. I don't mean to be the oldest, cause people look at old people as lames and still be cool, cause actually they being lames, they really saying leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. You feel me? And I got all my helicopters. Thank y'all Americans. Y'all thought that was funny. You messing with the Pharaoh, the mother of the God of the Pharaoh of America. Because you can't mess with the King Pharaoh or God of America, but you think you can mess with. So I'm used to starving, bro. Usually, see, these Americans don't know shit. I used to put tissue on my face because the atmosphere was so fucking dirty. So if I didn't land here with tissue on my face, which obviously I'm saying it because now there's no way y'all can do it. And turn the tissue into gold, because that's where these gold bars came from, Dubai. How you doing? And made the Federal Reserve notes, because there's a culture that finds the richest leaves and gives it away to be known as wealthy. Not because they made that as the code. I actually made that as the code of my world. You feel me? I think that was me actually seeing as a blood so below within without microism of my world to show like my kids is taken care of, and there's always gonna be that one person that think they can get away with something. I think that's what that was showing me, because the African culture is just a mirror. Africa really means envy. So they talk about stuff, and they really just, like I said, the history books are told from the losing side, which all y'all know. And it's crazy. So off AF Africa. I feel like I got people around me that not smart enough to fathom them. Africa. It's really supposed to be a K, but we can go with C. Off. AF. Off. 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 I feel like that's where the of word comes from. But off. You feel me? The whole word is like saying them trying to cripple them. Ka. Like I said, the C is supposed to be a K. Off. Off. You feel me? It's a lot of engulfed in that AF. And my name is Zaphael. The Ifa, Za for the spirit. A Z represents love at the top, gliding back down to its principles of love. So that's why, Z's aren't bad, spiders ain't bad. A represents the throne. So the throne, that's part of the Ankh, because F represents half of an Ankh, which the T represents the crucifixion of an Ankh. Re, it's supposed to be Ra, but then it goes to, you from Ra knows the daughter. The I represents Babylon, the tower that the people that will try to, if people didn't learn from yours truly, people wouldn't know how to catch they drip to make sure nothing's following them. So they always have their mind on why every time I do something, there's this bad karma, this spell. I never have, you feel me? ETC. Let that just, because that's just the worst. And so yeah, the I represents the F and the T really the principles of the son, the daughter, and the tower that if you don't clean up your drip, what could have been built off of your drip, which is what the whole spiritual realm is about. So, people die all the time. So, that's everybody was birthed in the womb of the spiritual realm before they came back and started learning knowledgeably of that, what I just said. And like I said, the Babylon tower, because that's Safari gonna get to the next realm, which that's what the son is, the daughter is. And Ka, which Ka means spirit, and Ca is no different, but like I said, Africa is the word of the reflection of envy of what they are trying to cripple something that can't be crippled. And you get the whole word Africa. So when people say West Africa, they say in America. So America is supposed to be the throne for Africa, just like Africa is supposed to be the will of Asia, and Asia is supposed to be the placement of principles, for lack of better words. And Europe, you feel me? And that's everything. You feel me? America's big as shit. Asia's big. You feel me? Those are really the two cultures that rule the world. Asia and America. Then Africa is the sister of both of them. The middle child, you feel me? They trying to put me in the middle. They try to put me in the middle, yeah, yeah, yeah. They try to put me in the middle. Girl, you know your ass is flawless, 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 flawless. I done walk around and got one, got one, got one, got one. Feel me? What time I got? Ooh, I'm catching up, you know. But just, you know, like I said, Poison Ivy. If y'all didn't see the Superman movie, the Batman movie where Poison Ivy was really derogatory inside of the real Poison Ivy, Adam the Poison Ivy's body, and y'all was just, and her not doing more because she had the choice to get rid of whoever's in Adam's body. Excuse me. But Poison Ivy was like, I see what you're doing here, and it's beautiful. So it was just pressure on a cold make a diamond, and you know we like them rocks. So Poison Ivy just said, here, take your little 32 Masons and get on, and live your life. I want Robin. And when she saw Robin was, it made her cry, but she saw Robin was just acting out everybody in the wound of Batman trying to use fear, you feel me? So she just disappeared out the story, and then it was a fight with, I think, the 32 Masons or some shit. Cause Joker doesn't die, you feel me? Shoe fits. I like how everything just, but you know, I can't wait to play some football. And I like I said in the Instagram post, how you gonna smoke and play? That's the most ignorant shit you can say. I don't want you to open your mouth again. I don't smoke and play. I play then smoke. The fuck is that simple? And Babylon is legalese and shit like that. So that shit shouldn't be in the higher realms. So keep playing with me. And in Jamaica, there's no J in the language, so J is pronounced with an H. Jamaica, Hamara, that's funny. Zamasu, Jamaica. Oh shit. Well, you know, I don't think I got a lot of time. So we just gonna. I'm about to show y'all how I whooped y'all asses.
Zero. Yeah. Zero. I'm a toes, bro. I get it more than you. You know, don't pay attention, bro. I can live my life so I can live it so, bro. I just watch you. Look what they do. Zero. I be one. Shine. Fuck yeah. Don't let the touch. I just said I do it nice. Just don't get me hype. I don't like the fights. I need to stereotypes. What I do, they like to cry. Yeah. Try me with the fire. Yeah. The pleasure's all mine. I don't need a little light, but you got what you want. Just sit me like the elevator. You want me rise. Yeah. Shoot the sign. Yeah. I'm inside. Why don't you just sign? Yeah. I said maybe cause they took Michael not having a child out of perspective. So now I see you up, at least up, while the scene talk. And on my toes, bro, I get it more than you. I never fuck who I might step up. I don't know, I just let you. I just got no more. You already know, so I lose my soul. Your soul to soul, mine is pure gold. Yours is fool's gold, like childhood. Just a midget before a rainbow. I know I am, well I know the lingo. Shawty city moving something like you Django. But I was always able to do my dance, so I started make a move, hoping to make a cameo. While I see you, see you, yeah.
Come on, kids.
I be on my toes, bro. I get told you, I forgot. You don't know, get on my toes, bro. I get it more than you. But then cross, you know, really ain't close. Do I have time for you? That's a good question. Flexing, but I'm showing muscles. You the clown on the show. I keep all of them so damn news. Gotta tell you one more time. Zero, 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 on my toes, bro. I get it more than you. You love all my moves. I don't try, I do. What the fuck? Keep it me. Ain't nothing else I can tell you. Zero, 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 zero.
Following's RatedZ.